Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. We had some showers come through earlier on this Friday morning, but this afternoon and evening looking a lot better out there. Mostly cloudy skies. We had the sun peek through at times, 40 degrees in Helena. We have a lot more sun out there in Great Falls as it's starting to set over the horizon. 47, temperatures are continuing to drop. We were in the 50s a little bit earlier. Colder air still along the High Line and parts east. Teens and 20s out into that portion of the state. We're in the 30s west of the divide, 40s and low 50s into the Helena and Great Falls areas. So a little bit of wind out there. We had some wind gusts topping 40 miles an hour in the Electric City a little bit earlier. Not a whole lot of wind in Helena. At least tomorrow, still a little breezy out there, but overall not as windy as today, but the wind will return on the Rocky Mountain Front and Continental Divide by Sunday afternoon, staying strong through the beginning of next week. Here's Monday, and then Tuesday into Wednesday is likely going to be the strongest wind that we will see through about the next week. We have a weather alert near Glasgow, Opheim, Scobie, Wolf Point, dense fog advisory. Out in that area, the visibility is less than a quarter of a mile at times. Back into the other north corner of the state, the northwestern corner of the state, another winter weather advisory through the night tonight and into early tomorrow morning, where valleys could pick up a little bit of ice and at least up to an inch of snow into the higher terrain just to the west of Glacier National Park. Not a whole lot of activity left out here in terms of precipitation. We'll take a quick look at Helena, but overall just a couple of showers maybe north of Lincoln and then on the Big Belt Mountains. Great Falls is dry. We saw the sun a little bit earlier. Just a few showers up on the Rocky Mountain front out there. So cloud cover will stick around through most of the night tonight and into tomorrow morning. I don't think there's going to be that much precipitation here. This particular model has not fared well over the last couple of days, so it's been overproducing precipitation here, which is what I'm thinking when this round comes through on Saturday. I don't think it'll be quite as potent as what it is saying. We will see a few showers around Helena, mainly in the higher terrain as we head into Sunday morning, but overall expect a dry weekend across our area. Cloud cover will stick around through most of next week, increasing into Tuesday. A few showers coming through Tuesday morning. Tuesday afternoon should be dry, and then as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, some more snow entering western Montana as well as some colder temperatures. Here's the forecast for tonight. A lot of north central Montana dropping into the teens and 20s, especially into the northeastern corner of the state. We right around 30 degrees in Helena. So here's the forecast for tomorrow. 46 in Helena, 53 in Great Falls under partly cloudy conditions. The next 7 days, we'll stay in the 40s at least through the first 3 of them here in Helena, but colder air does return towards the middle and end of next week.